Hello guys, welcome to the Forex channel. So on this channel we are going to be creating content related to Forex, okay? And I'm very sure this is what you guys also love us to do, creating a content about Forex. And I'm going to give you guys in depth everything you need to become a successful Forex trader. I'm going to be posting that on this channel, okay? So stay tuned, make sure you follow us through this journey. Together we can become a successful Forex trader, okay? So first thing we are going to start with is the broker you are going to be using, and in this video I'm going to show you guys the best broker you can use and the benefits you get using this broker and how you can create an account with this broker, okay? So we are going to be discussing about everything in depth, okay? So even if you sign up to this broker, you are also going to get a 100% deposit bonus, which means that if you deposit $5, you are going to get extra bonus if you deposit, okay? And if you use that link, that is how you are going to get the deposit bonus, okay? So the broker we are going to be using is called XM, okay? And how do you get started with this broker? Link in the description below. So check the link on the description below. You are going to see the broker right here. So when you click on the link, it's going to direct you to the XM website, okay? If you use the file link, that is how you are going to get the deposit bonus, which means that if you deposit just $5, you are going to get extra bonus, which is going to help you a lot. So this is how the dashboard is going to look like, okay? So when you click on link, this is where you're going to, this is how your dashboard is going to look like, okay? So when you get here, the next thing you do is just to click on start trading. So when you click on start trading, it's going to direct you to where you're going to create an account, okay? So let's get started with this broker. Now, how do you create an account? The first thing you do is just to choose your country. Here I'm in Nigeria, so I have to click on Nigeria, okay? So after you click on the country, then you choose the image you are going to be using, okay? So I'm going to now write up my email. So write your email. So when you write your email, then so let me write up my email right here, okay? So when you write your email, then the next thing you do is just to choose your password. And I'm going to just type in my password right here, okay? So use any password of your choice. So when you choose the password, then the next thing you do is click on, so next thing you do is just click on register, okay? So when you click on the register button, it's going to now send you, this is where I told you to check your email. So an email has been sent to your email, so click on it to verify your account, okay? So once you click on it, then it's now going to direct you to your dashboard, and I'm going to show you guys how your dashboard is going to look like. So this is how your dashboard is going to look like, okay? So I've already verified this account, and I'm going to show you guys how you can do that. So if you just signing up to this XM, it's going to show you guys that you need to verify your account. You have to verify your phone number, and you have to verify your identity, okay? So how do you do that? You just have to click on this profile you are seeing at the top. So when you click on it, then click on the verification button, okay? So you have to verify your identity card. You can use any voters card, NIN, or your driving license, or any of your voters card. You can use your passport as well. So when you do that, it's going to now verify you. So what you need to do is to verify your account, and after you verify your account, it's now going to show you guys that your account is verified, okay? So after you verify your account, now you can make a deposit. You can deposit and get a deposit bonus, okay? So the reason why this broker is very, very effective is that this broker has up to 1,000 leverage, leverage, which means that you can trade with 0 cent account, and you can also trade with small account, okay? So, and you're also going to get some cash back if you're trading with this broker, and you're going to also get some more deposit bonus, okay, with this account, okay? And they allow MT5 and MT4. They allow desktop, web, and mobile, okay? As you can see, I'm using mobile, so you can trade on this XM with anything that you want, and they have as low as $5 minimum deposit, and it's very, very reliable, okay? So that is why we choose this XM broker, okay? So when you click on the account and you have already verified your account, this is all the things that you can do on this app, okay? So this is a lot of things you can do on this app, which you can see everything right here. And if you want to deposit, I'm going to show you guys how you can deposit. Now, to get the deposit bonus, you have to click on this more right here. When you click on more, then scroll down as go to bonuses. Okay, when you get to the bonuses, the next thing you do is to click on deposit. Okay, now if you want to deposit, you can use credit or debit card, you can use online bank transfer, you can use cryptocurrency, which is the most effective one, and you can use online naira or any, depends on your country. So that is the deposit bonus. This is the deposit method you can use. Okay, so that is how this you are going to get. If you are not deposit, that is when you are now going to get the deposit bonus. Okay, so that is how you are going to start trading with this XM. In my next video, I'm going to show you guys the strategy you're going to be using to make money trading on this broker, and I'm also going to show you guys how you can fully set up your MT5 account on this XM broker. Okay, so if you want me to create any video containing this forex aspect, then don't forget to comment down below, and I'm going to make sure to create a video about what you said. Okay, so thank you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on post notification. Enter a posting strategy you guys to be aware. Thank you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.